Sustainability is a really big issue in the chemistry right now.
We see quite often in the news that chemistry is still seen as a very negative science because a lot of the waste that we're creating is from chemical factories.
In a way, as a community, we should feel responsible. We really have to look at the processes we are using to make the certain things and how we can replace those processes for more sustainable processes. Nowadays, all the pharmaceuticals are synthesized via the chemical ways, and the chemical ways are very often harmful to the environment.
We make plastics, we make all sorts of products, but most of the time in a way that is not sustainable.
But what is more sustainable than something which already is in nature? Can we exchange the toxic chemicals, the toxic solvents we are using for water? Can we exchange the heavy metals just for this biomolecule which is completely biodegradable? If everything goes right, we can completely eliminate things which are harmful to the environment, and we can only use things which are biodegradable, and we are not having any problems using them.
And we need to come up with way more efficient processes, more efficient chemical reactions and less heat to do these reactions. And for this we need fundamental research. If we could substitute some of these experiments by computations, this would be a very big win for sustainability.
With the help of theoretical chemistry and thus quantum chemical computations, we get insight into what is happening. And with knowing how things happen, we know how to improve them. In the computer, we can easily test different molecules, different reactions, different catalysts, and it will not cost the actual elements that we use in this chemistry because we just let the computer model it.
So we're using the computer to first simulate the reactions that we do in the lab, and in this way we can create sustainable chemistry because we don't need that much lab work anymore because we can substitute this for a lot of computations.
And the big companies are really kind of starting to embrace enzymes, and there is already a huge progress being made. If we can address a lot of the issues we have right now, we can still be thriving on this planet for hundreds of years to come.